Hey guys, it's Hope and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know, I recently got back from camp. On the day this was being filmed, I got back from camp like 2 days ago. And I've unpacked, but I haven't put anything away. Dust has been building up, so my room is just kind of really gross and messy. So today I'm going to be deep cleaning it and fixing all of that. Let's get started with the video. First, I'm going to take my sheets off my bed and put them in the wash. I'm going to move all of my pillows and my duvet out of the way, and then I'm going to put all of my laundry away. Now I'm going to organize up here. Now I'm gonna do some easier things, just some blankets lying around, and my bag with stuff to do on the way there, which I've already unpacked some of. Then I'm going to move to my desk, which doesn't look that bad from right here, but from the top it's pretty messy, so that one will take a little bit longer. My trash is overflowing over here, and I have more trash, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just throw all that away. My dad is making eggs so that my room smells like eggs, and there's nothing wrong with eggs, but I don't want my room to smell like it, so I'm going to spray this vanilla bean Noel stuff from White Barn. This is the vanilla birch, sorry. I love vanilla smells so much, so. I'm not finished yet, because I still have to do vacuuming, mopping, wiping stuff down, all that stuff, but I'm gonna give myself a bit of a break for now and watch some TV because I've been cleaning for a while, so. Before we continue, look how cute my cat is. Hi, Elsa. Guys, she's probably gonna go to the vet tomorrow though because she's been throwing up. Oh, baby. Feel better? Yeah. Quick update on Elsa. We ended up taking her to the ER that day. She had eaten 2 of my mom's earplugs. We had to get surgery. She had to have surgery to get one of them out. And now she's not allowed to run or jump, and she has to be in a cone for 2 weeks. Time to clean my desk. Now I'm going to just wipe almost everything down with some Clorox wipes. Time to clean all the surfaces in my bathroom. Time for the most fun part of all, my toilets. sheets are out of the washer and the dryer, so now I'm going to make my bed. I've picked up everything off the floor, now I just have to vacuum and then I think I will be done. I'm finally done! And that was me deep cleaning my room. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like it, then subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!